All right, this is number 4 on 4.3 homework. We did not talk about coefficients with a that's greater than 1. So this will show up in 4.4, but here's how you do it. You can still use, basically, we're going to go ahead with the 2 parentheses, but when you use the snowflake method, you do the same thing that we've always done, except this right here is now 6, so the a. And then up here, you're going to take a times c. So this one's going to be 30 because you're taking a times c. And then below, you got the b value, which is 17. So now what we're trying to do is figure out what multiplies up to 30 and adds up to 17. Well, in this case, it's going to be 15 and 2. So 15 times 2 is 30, and 15 plus 2 is 17. And now when we have this, we have these 2 columns again, right? But this is a little bit different. Think of these as fractions. Think of this as 6 over 2 and 6 divided by 15. And all you need to do here is just reduce that fraction. So if there's common factors there, you're going to reduce that and divide both of those numbers by the common factor. So 6 divided by 2 would become 3 divided by 1, or 3 over 1. And then 6 over 15, both of those can be divided by 2, 3. So this would become a 2, and this would become a 5. So now we have our parentheses. Once we basically factor out or reduce those numbers, then we can put it up here. So this is going to be 2x plus 5 from this one. And then this one's going to be 3x plus 1 from that one right there. And then same thing with b. So we're going to do 2 parentheses. We're going to have a snowflake method. So the a value is going to be 9 in this case. A times c is negative 36. The b value is 9. And so now we think about what multiplies up to negative 36 but adds to 9. And that is going to be 12 and 3 multiply up to 36. So I'm going to have 12 and 3. One of those has to be negative. So I'm going to make that 3 negative, because 12 plus negative 3 is 9. And so that's the correct numbers there. And then we have to reduce this. So I take this, and we're going to reduce this. We're going to take this 9 12, so we're going to take this 9 over negative 3 and reduce this one over here to 3 over negative 1. And we'll reduce this one over here, divide everything by 3, so we'll get a 3 here, and we'll get a 4 here. So now we reduce those, and now we're going to have our numbers up here. So 3x plus 4, and then 3x minus 1 for that one.